Today we're comparing Freqtrade versus Backtrader versus VectorBT. Which algorithmic trading platform is the best? Freqtrade is an open-source crypto trading bot that supports automated strategies, backtesting, hyperparameter optimization, and live trading on multiple exchanges. Backtrader is a powerful Python framework for developing, testing, and optimizing trading strategies across different financial markets with extensive customization. VectorBT is a high-performance Python library that uses vectorized calculations for fast backtesting, portfolio analysis, and quantitative research. The overall winner is VectorBT because it delivers exceptional speed, advanced analytics, and powerful research capabilities, making it the best choice for most quantitative traders and developers. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.